You came back lighter than you left. Good. Don't unpack.
He was just a farmer.
Your father kept the valley from burning.
What you are watching just now, I created with just a single line prompt. One rough idea. No script, no storyboard, no separate tools for images, clips, voice, or music. Just one idea and a conversation. Currently, I am working on a full 20-episode mini-drama using the same tool called the OpenArt Director. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire workflow, step by step, from a rough idea all the way to a full cinematic video. Let's go. Okay, at this moment we are inside OpenArt AI, one of the biggest AI tool hubs for creators. You will access more than 70 AI tools and features under a single umbrella. Today, we are using OpenArt Director, the brand new feature of OpenArt. You can notice that it says coming soon. You can join the waitlist from here, and it will be publicly available from the 23rd of June. I already have access. So, I will jump to the OpenArt Director interface. Okay, this is the OpenArt Director interface. At the top, this is the prompt box where you can enter your rough idea, and the director will create the content for you. Now let's see what you actually can create using OpenArt Director. You can create short films, music videos, UGC ads, product ads, film trailers, social content, branding ads, explainer videos, and micro drama. You will find examples or projects at the bottom. You can take inspiration from here. Okay, enough talk. Let's start creating our drama. Let's say I want to create a revenge drama. I already created a full production plan, and here is my plan. It has 20 episodes in total. We have the characters, the storyline, and the episode-by-episode plan. And I want to create this full drama using OpenArt Director. Let's start. I am uploading my full production plan by clicking here. After that, I am making a short drama. I am uploading the full plan in this doc file. Can you create the drama for me? That's it. No detailed prompt or instruction. Now, here you will find two options. Guide me and just make it. The last option is automated. You don't have any control. It just gives you the video. But I want some control, so I am selecting the Guide Me option. Now, once you hit the Send button, the OpenArt Director agent will analyze the doc file and the prompt and start the plan for making the film or drama. And here we go. The Director agent analyzed the full production plan and came up with the plan. At this moment, the director can create a single episode and at most a 5-minute long video, so it's planning to go episode by episode. That's perfect. I also want to go episode by episode for a better result. Now you can select which episode you want to build first. I will go with the first episode. Okay. Now we have to set the aspect ratio of the video. I am selecting the 16:9 cinematic ratio. However, if you want to create a vertical format, you can go ahead. In the next step, select the video quality or resolution. I will go with a balanced approach, 720 pixels. After that, select the length of the episode. You can go fast-paced or full. However, I will go with let the story decide. Okay, all the settings are done. Now the director will assign the scriptwriter to write the full script for the video. The script is ready. Let's have a look at it. This is really a great and very detailed script. We can call it a screenplay. We have the detailed. Now if you find any issues and think the script needs to be customized, you can edit it. It's fully editable. Once you are done, click Save and Continue. Okay, our script is locked. Now the director will design the production plan for episode 1. It will break episode 1 into shot beats and list every character and location to build. This process will take some time, and you don't have to do anything, so you can grab a cup of coffee or do other tasks. Okay, the plan is ready. Our first scene has 15 shot beats, about 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now it will create the reference images for the characters, locations, and props for this scene, and also create the voice for the characters. And here it is. The reference images and voices are ready. You can see that every character image has a perfect character sheet, front view, back view, side view, and expression. A perfect character sheet. This helps keep the character consistent in every shot from every angle. We have the location reference also. This is great. And at the bottom, we have the voiceover reference.
You came back lighter than you...
He was just a farmer.
This is great. Now, we have to preview them. Now, if you want to customize them, you can do it. If you are satisfied, click on Looks Good from here. I will go ahead. Now, The agent will start generating all the shots from here. The director will select the best AI model and write the detailed prompt for every scene, and then create the video clips. It will take some time, so I will fast forward this part. And here it is. All the video clips or shots are ready, and it will now assemble them with BGM and sound effects and create the final video. And here it is. The final video of episode 1 is ready. Let's have a look at it.
You came back lighter than you left. Good. Don't unpack.
He was just a farmer.
This is really amazing. Now, you can preview the video, and if anything is wrong, you can edit the video. Every single video clip is customizable. You can modify the video, regenerate the clip, or add assets from your device. Once you are ready, click on the export button from here and set the settings. Then, save the video on your device. Okay, our first episode is ready. Now, using the same method, we can create the second episode and then the rest of the episodes. You just have to follow the prompt, nothing more. So, now using OpenArt Director, we can create a full drama only from a single line of prompt. Not only drama, but you can create short films, music video, product ads, explainer video. In one word, OpenArt Director is your own director to create any kind of video. So, don't forget to try the OpenArt Director. Now, as I mentioned at the start, OpenArt Director is not publicly available yet. If you go to OpenArt right now, you'll see this Coming Soon banner with an early access button. That's how I got access, and that's how you can get in before the public launch. The link is in the description. Another good news, if you want to try it on a monthly plan, you can use my code to get 15% off. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something.